7 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Zion National Park rangers reported flash flooding across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Heavy rain producing flash flooding. Source, public reported. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Zion National Park, Springdale and Rockville. This includes the following streams and drainages: Clear Creek, Right Fork, North Creek, East Fork, Virgin River, North Fork, Virgin River, Cola Creek, Virgin River and Blue Creek. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following county: Washington, Utah,